let me ask you something. What if your process, your expertise, your content could run without you? Because right now, the people winning with AI are not just tech giants, they're creators, they're entrepreneurs, they're community leaders, they're small businessmen. They're everyday people who took what they already know and turned it into a tool. We are now entering the era of micro AI SaaS, where anyone with a process, a niche, or a community can build their own AI-powered product. You don't need a huge team, you don't need to be a developer, and you don't need to build the next ChatGPT. All you need is a repeatable process that gets a result and a way to turn that into software. Hi, I'm Misha, founder of Aton, and we help brands, creators, and companies build custom AI systems that save time, streamline delivery, and unlock new reoccurring revenue. And we've built multiple systems now that help businesses save 3 hours plus per day, generate 10 to 15,000 per month in new revenue, and scale operations without hiring more people. And today, I want to give you the blueprint. Whether you're a business owner, influencer, coach, or community builder, this is how you can turn your knowledge and systems into your own AI product. Let's get right into it. Part 1, the real opportunity. Here's the big truth. AI is not just a tool. It's a distribution model for your knowledge. Most people are so focused on using AI and the hype surrounding it that they miss the bigger opportunity to own the tool that other people use. That could be a lead scoring engine that you use, a content generation system, an onboarding assistant, a very niche specific chatbot, a training system, or even a client delivery workflow that runs automatically. So if you solve problems for people, or if you already have a repeatable method that gets results, you can turn that method into a mini AI SaaS, a small but extremely powerful system, custom built, running on autopilot that serves your audience and scales your team without extra time from you. And it works whether you're a solo creator, a consultant, or a company with a full staff. That is leverage play. Part 2, use what you've got. There's a line from Alex Hormozi that I love. He says, use what you've got. And this is exactly what this is about. You already have the building blocks, a spreadsheet that you use every day, a process you repeat with every client, a lead system or a script that you run manually, or just a unique way you think through problems that gets real results. You don't need to start from scratch. You just need to ask yourself, what am I doing repeatedly that my ideal customer would love to have done for them automatically? That is your asset. And that is the thing we turn into a tool, and that's how you build leverage. Part 3, how you can build your own mini AI SaaS. So how you actually go about doing this. How do you take what you know and build a tool that runs without you? Here's a step-by-step framework that I've designed directly for you. Step 1, map your manual systems. Start by identifying what you or your team do manually week after week. Think client onboarding, lead qualifications, reporting, content workflows. Anything that follows a pattern is fair game. Step 2, sketch the ideal outcome. Ask, if this was a product, what would it do? And then break that down. What's the input? What decisions does it have to make? What's the final output? You don't need to know how to code, you just need to know how it should behave. Step 3, build a lean prototype. Use tools like Notion, NAN, Make, Airtable, GPT APIs, Lovable. This is where you connect your logic into an actual working tool. It doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to work. Step 4, test it in the real world. Use it yourself. Give it to your team or some beta users. See what breaks, see what confuses people, and then refine it. Step 5, deploy it. Once it works, just launch it. You can keep it internal to save time and scale, offer it as a bonus to your clients or audience, or turn it into a product and charge access for reoccurring or a one-time payment. Step 6, scale and optimize. Now you got leverage. From here, you can improve the UX, add AI automations, build a good front end, license it, bundle it even more into your offer, or create a standalone SaaS around it. This is how a repeatable system becomes a digital product that grows with or without you. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, yeah, this makes sense, but I don't know where to start, that is totally okay. If you want help mapping this out, I'll help you do it for free. This entire month, we're offering free discovery calls where I will personally break down your entire workflow, identify your highest leverage system points, and show you exactly how this could be built into a tool that saves time or makes money. Now, if it makes sense and we're a fit, we can help you build it, no problem. If not, you walk away with a game plan that you can use yourself. There's no pressure, no sales pitch, just pure clarity. Just click the link below, book a time, and let's figure this out together. The people who win with AI aren't the loudest. They're the ones who quietly build systems that scale and never stop running. So if you have a process, if you have a community, if you have expertise in a niche that gets results, then you have everything you need to turn that into a tool, something that saves somebody else time, makes money, and works harder than you ever could manually. You don't need to use more tools. You need to own one, and let's build it together.